Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to change the voice prompt volume. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. From the home screen, you need to find the gear icon. The gear icon is located at the top of the screen. This is the icon of your settings, so let's just tap it. And as you can see, you've got access to all settings. So from the following list, all you need to do is find and select sound and tones right here. If you tap sound and tones, you've got access to the following list of settings. Choose here the system voice, the last option. If you tap here the system voice, you can use the following settings, following features. You can here use, for example, the voice prompt volume, as I said previously. This sets the loudness of the car's assistant. Note that is usually independent of your music volume, so the car can whisper or shout instructions even if your music is quiet. So this is the lowest one. Let me show you. Hello Nissan. Let me say it again. Hello Nissan. And one more time. Hello Nissan. Hello Nissan.
Say a command.
As you can see, this is the lowest volume.
Cancelling voice recognition.
Let me do it again. Let me increase to the highest level. And let's say, hello Nissan.
Say a command.
This is really loud.
Cancelling voice recognition.
Alright, let me put it somewhere here. It's enough for me. Alright, so that's it. So let's just choose the best voice prompt volume, and you will be using the one you pick. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.